Hi everyone from Head Trendy USA. Another fishing shirt for you. There's bass, a couple of bass fish at the bottom, shrimp. Microfiber, lightweight, zip front. Okay, comes in 4 sizes. Free baseball cap with the shirt. Free postage, UK, USA. The fish are on the back as well. Colors impregnated in the material, non-fade, they won't wash out. Okay, monster fish. Okay, check out my other products, my TikTok page, hats, caps, and other fishing shirts. Okay, message me, follow, and like. Any questions, DM me. Thanks for watching. Bye.